What is up, guys? It's BT back here again with another review. Today I'm going to be reviewing a pair of headphones that I've come to be spending a lot of time with lately, as they have become my main daily drivers over the past 2 months. I mean, I've barely touched any other earbuds, which is why you haven't really seen any earbud reviews on my channel lately. But all of this has come at a cost of $1,000. You heard me correctly. The Shure SE846s cost $1,000. Insane. So today I want to answer what you're all thinking and what you're all asking yourselves right now. Is spending this amount of money necessary, or is there a diminishing return on headphones after a certain point? But before we begin, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And if you have any recommendations for headphones for me to try out, just let me know down below in the comments. Now, in the box, you are getting this plastic container, which just feels like $1,000 already. You get a carrying case, you get an extra cord, a 3.5mm to 2.5mm headphone jack, an airplane adapter. They also have an inline audio control, all different kind of ear tips for you to get the proper fit. There's silicone as well as foam tips. I usually just go with the regular black foam tips, as they give a ton of isolation, so you don't have all that juicy, expensive $1,000 sound leaking out. Due to the in-ear style though, you will get ear fatigue after a while, guys. You guys might think I'm crazy, but I actually use these $1,000 earbuds at the gym because they block out everything and they sound amazing. These are also a great option for travelers because of the great noise cancellation. I used them a lot on my last trip to LA and they were just perfect. Also, they include these filters which give you a different sound signature depending on what you're using. The black is more warm because it cuts off the high frequencies. They have a blue one which is balanced. They have a white which cuts off the low end, so EDM rap lovers don't use the white. But EDM and rap users, you will want to use the black filters. Classical and jazz users will want something along the lines of the white filters. If you listen to all genres though, I would recommend using those neutral blue filters, and we'll get into how these sound a little bit later in the review. They also have this flexible plastic that wrap around your ear near the earbud, and they are super comfortable. And they're comfortable while both earbuds are in, but if you are hanging one off, you're trying to listen to somebody, it does tug and pull at your ear, and the back of your ear can become a little bit irritated. Sorry guys. I've gotten so many questions when walking around with these due to the clear design. They really stand out, but I'm not really too sure if it's because they look cool or if it's because people think I'm about to perform in a show. Sound. So let's talk about the sound and if these are worth $1,000. I mean, what could they possibly sound like? So I'm gonna try to give you the best description possible for how they sound. And I'm gonna be straight up with you guys. Guys, these are not worth it if you're gonna be killing yourself to get them or your bank account over if you can't afford them. On the same note, if you can't afford them and you want something that will last you a long time and quite possibly be an end game, then look no further because these sound amazing. These earbuds, the SE846s, have some of the clearest, cleanest bass of any earbud or headphone, over ear included, that I've ever tried. It's just, the bass is just super clean. There's no distortion whatsoever. These really do give you that true to life subwoofer experience as promised with their quad drivers. The soundstage is there, but it's pretty tight. It's more of a closed earbud. They aren't going to be as spacious as something like the AUDEZE i10s that I have, but it's really good. It's still really, really good. That being said, I haven't even touched my AUDEZE i10s since I got these, because these are just that good. When switching the filters to tailor your sound, these really do shine. I mean, EDM and rap sound just perfect with the blue or black. The classical and jazz sound perfect with the filters. The treble is just immaculate. I can't find any fault with these headphones, with these earbuds, I should say. You really have to hear these to believe it. You can also just power these off your phone and they get super loud. So there's no need for an amp or any extra things to buy with these headphones, so you can kind of take that into consideration with the price. In conclusion, the bass is amazing. You get a ton of accessories that make you feel like these are $1,000. The comfort is there. I do, however, think that there is a diminishing return on headphones and earbuds. You're spending only for the smallest of details and intricacies to come out in your music. So guys, don't try to kill yourself getting a pair of $1,000 headphones or earbuds. I think that at a certain point, only if you've heard everything and you really want a unique experience, that is when I feel like you should consider getting something of this nature worth this much money. That being said, the Shure SE846s are a great experience that if you don't ever own them, I think you should at least hear them at least once in your lifetime, especially for you bass lovers out there to see the quality difference in bass. Alright guys, so that is going to do it for this review. If you have any more questions, there's a lot to go over with these earbuds. I know I missed a couple things. Ask me down below and I will be sure to talk to you guys and answer all your questions. That has been my review of the Shure SE846s. Thank you for watching and for all the support, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.